Shopify Honest review. In this video, I'm going to give you my honest review about Shopify. As you can see that I am inside the members area of Shopify. I'm going to let you know on how to use Shopify and also how to add your own products here on Shopify for your dropshipping business. But first of all, if you want to get an access to Shopify 30 days free trial, click the link down below in the description of this YouTube video so that you can get started using Shopify for free. So when you click here to products on Shopify, this is whereby that you're gonna able to add your own products here on Shopify. Not only that, you can also import existing products here on Shopify. If already done for you products, you can also import them here. It is so simple. Now let me show you on how to add your own products here on Shopify. It is so easy. So what you'll do here, you will see a title. Under title, this is whereby that you're gonna able to add the title of the product that you want to sell here. You can just put the title there, and then after that you have to write a product description about the product that you want to sell on Shopify. You can also use this AI tool that I like to use. When you click here to AI tool, you have to put some keywords. This AI tool is going to write content. It's going to write product description. You can use any keyword there. I'm just going to click here to generate. As you can see that this AI tool, it is so fast. It is now done writing the product description. You can also rewrite it if you don't like it, but I'm going to keep it. And then we're going to go to media. Under media, this is whereby that on Shopify allows you to upload the product image of your Shopify store. You can just put there, and then under category, this is whereby that you're gonna choose the category of the product that you are selling on Shopify. As you can see that there are so many categories. If you're in a pet niche, you can select pet niche or the business or baby, electronics, camera. There are so many categories here that you have to choose. Then let's go to pricing, and then under pricing, this is whereby that you have to put the price of the product that you'll be selling. How much customers they have to pay to purchase the price, guys. You have to put the price here. You can just compare the price, the cost per item, like how much it is costing you to purchase this product on your supplier. It's gonna show you the profit that you'll be making, the margins, all of those stuff. Keep it default for inventory track. Quantity, keep it like default, do not change anything here. Then for shop location, it's up to you. Then for shipping, you have to put the kg of the product that you are selling. Okay. Then after that, you can also go to put this active or inactive or save it. Okay. Now let's go to collection. Under collection on Shopify, what you can do here, you'll be able to see the products that you already uploaded here on Shopify. Like how many products that you already uploaded here on Shopify is going to show you under collection. Then for customers, this is whereby that on customers, you're going to be able to see the customers list of your customers, the list of them. You can also import the customers. If you have a database of the customers, you can also import them here on Shopify. When you go here to analytics, it's going to show you how your store it is performing, so that you can have enough data. It's going to show you the total sales that you are making based on a specific day, on a specific month, on a specific week. You're going to be able to see that. You can also check the conversion rate of your store. If it's about 5%, meaning that your store it is converting very well. You can also check the total orders that you got on a specific day, on a specific month. You can also check the average order value, and also you can also check the top selling products. If we have multiple products on a Shopify store, you can also check the top selling products. Okay. You can also go to marketing. Under marketing, this is whereby that you can help to do email marketing to send email follow-ups on your customers. Some of the customers they don't buy right away. It is important that you have to collect some emails so that you can do email follow-ups, on your customers. And then what you can do here, you can also go to discounts. What I like about discounts is that it increases sales of your Shopify store, especially on holidays. You can offer some 10% discount, 5% discount, 25% discount. It's going to help you a lot to get more sales on your Shopify store. When you go to online themes, this is whereby on online themes that you can input. Shopify is going to give you these done for you themes that you can just import them or add them to your own store, guys. Okay, take a look at this. If you're on a you want a store based on a beauty niche, you can just take a look at this and how these stores they look like. And also you can, if you are on you're selling clothes, t-shirt, especially for men, you can add this theme is going to be added on a Shopify store automatically. After that, you can do some customizations. You can also change the fonts there. You can also change the pricing. You can also change this logo and put your own logo. Or you can also go to Fiverr. If you don't have a logo, you can go to Fiverr, hire someone for $5 to create your own Shopify logo. It is so simple. All of these logos here, you can change on the logo that you want to sell, but only if you want to sell these clothing brands, you can do that. You can change the colors here. You can also change the currency, put the currency that you want. You can also change the pricing here. Everything, guys, it can be customizable. You can also customize it based on the desire that you want to customize this store. Okay, so guys, when you click the link down below in the description of this YouTube video, it's gonna take you to this page. This is where you can able to start for free, enjoy your first month for $1 with Shopify. And also, if you want to pay, I highly recommend that you pay on a yearly basis. It's gonna save you 25% off discount. The plan that I recommend, is the basic plan. This is the most popular plan, and also this is the plan that I use for my Shopify business, guys. So that's it, guys. If you have any questions, please leave a comment down below in the comment sections. I'm gonna get back to you as soon as possible. Take care. May God bless you. Good luck. Shop.